Hello and welcome to Cyber Garage. Today's demo is on the Cyber Garage Tech app. So once your technicians get to the login platform, simply they're going to sign in. Once they sign in, it's going to take them to the main dashboard page. And if they scroll down, they can see all the vehicles in process and they can log into any one of those jobs from here. For this example, I'm going to use RO502, Doug Giles. And if you look at the little purple reassembly status bar, that's currently where it is. So if I click on that, it's going to give me a menu. And from here, I can choose any one of those options. So I'm going to click in login just to show you what the inside of the page looks like. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the login page of the repair order. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard page and I'm going to go ahead and choose work order. So this will open up the work order for the technicians so they can pinch and zoom and they can see all the line items of the estimate. And they can actually go down to the very bottom and see the total amount of refinish hours and body labor hours for this job. So let me go back to the main dashboard page. I'm going to simply click on the status bar again, and I'm going to click on the parts. So here are all the parts that have been ordered and parts that are still needing to be ordered and parts that have been received. So from the received items, if I click on the status bar on the stone guard, it gives me an option that I can pick from. So let's say if the stone guard came in damaged, I can just simply click on damaged part and it's going to send the admin and the parts manager that this part with this part number on it is damaged and they need to send it back and reorder that. So that saves a lot of time and money. Or it could be a wrong part that came in. It could be for the wrong side. It could be a poor fit or a part that's not needed. So any one of those items they can choose and it will send the admin and parts manager that message. Another thing that you can do is these little square boxes that you can check in. If you checked in that stone guard and it is the correct part, simply put a check mark on it and it's going to let the admin and the parts manager know that you physically checked in that part and it's correct. And in the parts activity page, it's going to put your name next to that line item saying that you checked in that part and it is correct. And you can just go ahead and do the rest of the parts once you've mirrored the parts, and all those parts will have your name next to them that you checked them in. And that way you have accountability in that parts activity page. Another thing you can do is you can see what parts still need to be ordered and what parts are ordered and still waiting to be received. So that is how this page works. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard page and I'm going to simply click on that status bar again and I'm going to go and take a photo. So from here, basically all you have to do is click to take a photo. You can go to the car, click on take photo and it will take a photo of the vehicle. You can browse the internet or pull one off your library. So that's how that works. And simply you would just click to upload and it will upload the new photo. Let me click on the status bar again and I can click on view all photos. And these are all the photos that have been previously taken during the repair process. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And now I'm going to go ahead and click into the repair order. And now I'm inside the repair order. So if I needed to start the disassembly, I would clock in, or body repairs, or I can clock into reassembly. So let's go ahead and use reassembly. I'm going to just simply clock into that. And now I am logged in. The dashboard at the in the admin page is showing that you're logged into the job and you're starting the reassembly process. Now, if you needed to log out of the job, the little bell at the very top has a number 1 on it. Simply click on that bell and it's asking you, are you done with the reassembly or are you not done? Maybe you're going to lunch. So I'm going to click not done and it's going to log me out of that repair order. So now I can go ahead and log back in and then I can go ahead and clock back into reassembly and it will start my time on that again. Other things that I can do below that, I can click on send message to the estimator. So I can click on that. type in whatever message I want to put in there, and submit, and the estimator will get that message right away. I can view messages from the office by simply clicking on that message from office, and that will open up that message. And in this case, it said, please pre-scan and print to RO. Thank you. Or I can see what tasks I'm assigned to do on here. So I'll click on the task, and it's asking me, please remove front bumper, CRO 522. So I can click I'm done and let them know that I've done that. So if I continue to move down below that, I can see the status so far. So the vehicle was in on the 29th, and it's going to be delivered back to the customer on the 30th. And right now we're 70% of the progress has been completed. So I'm going to click the up arrow, and it's going to take me back to the top of the page. And I'm going to go ahead and click onto those three little bars, and that's going to take me into the main menu. So I can tap on time clock, and I can go ahead and click on start my day, and it will log me in for the day. And then I can go ahead and log out for break, log back in from break, and then go ahead and log out for lunch. So that will keep your times for the day, and then you can approve it at the end of the day. You can go in, look at your time that you've recorded for the day, and at the very end of the day, you can go ahead and approve it or not approve it and give them an explanation, and they can make the corrections on your time ticket for you. So let me go back to the dashboard. You can simply send a request for some time off. So if you wanted some vacation time, click on vacation time. And once you've done that, it will select it in the time request and put in the date. Say if you want to go from the 22nd to the 27th, it will put in those dates for you, and then you can put in a note, whatever the note is. So you can then, once that is done, you can actually go in and see your requests that you've done in the past and review those. You can set up a company chat with a fellow employees. Simply click on that, and then start a conversation, and you can pick whatever person you want to send a chat message to and send it. If you needed to review the shop policies, you'd click on that, and all the policies would be here. And if you wanted to see all the vehicles that you're assigned, just simply click on assigned, and you can see all the vehicles that you're assigned. And from here, you can actually just go ahead and log into the repair order and go ahead and clock in or do whatever you need to do. So this will conclude this demo of the app for the Cyber Garage. You can see this full video on the website anytime. Thank you and have a great day.